Dumpster rental service in Hartford, South Dakota. Rockn Rolloffs is the name to trust for dumpster rental service in Hartford, South Dakota, helping communities keep their neighborhoods clean. Whether you're organizing a park cleanup, neighborhood beautification project, or community-wide waste collection event, we have the perfect dumpsters for the job. Large-scale cleanups generate significant amounts of waste, from litter and yard debris to discarded furniture and bulky items. Our durable dumpsters make collecting and disposing of waste easy, ensuring a smooth cleanup process. We offer flexible rental durations to accommodate one-day events and extended projects, giving volunteers ample time to complete their work. At Rockn Rolloffs, we provide timely deliveries and quick pickups so your cleanup efforts stay on schedule. Our affordable rates with no hidden fees make waste disposal simple and cost-effective for local organizations and community groups. We take pride in supporting Hartford's community efforts by offering reliable, hassle-free dumpster rentals. Our team is dedicated to exceptional service, ensuring your event runs smoothly from start to finish. Make your community cleanup event a success with Rockn Rolloffs. Call us today at 605-214-4080 to reserve your dumpster. Hartford, South Dakota, relies on us for stress-free waste removal.